GoPro has long been synonymous with innovation and top-tier performance. With the release of the GoPro Hero 12, the brand continues to push the boundaries of what's possible in the world of adventure photography and videography. This review explores the features and capabilities that make the GoPro Hero 12 the ultimate companion for capturing your most thrilling moments. The primary design distinction lies in the updated paint scheme, which incorporates noticeable blue highlights. This sets it apart from previous models, which typically sported a consistent finish. Additionally, a significant design change is the inclusion of a 1/420 thread on the base of the camera so you can take advantage of professional accessories. One of the most impressive changes of the Hero 12 is the noticeably enhanced battery life. Thanks to its improved power management, Hero 12 Black delivers 2x longer continuous recording at 5.3K 60, 70 minutes, plus over 1.5 hours at 5.3K 30, and over 2.5 hours of continuous recording at 1080p 30. Another important enhancement lies in the GoPro Hero 12 ability to seamlessly connect with Bluetooth microphones and earbuds. Once paired, you can use an external microphone for recording audio, which is simultaneously recorded as a separate track alongside the onboard microphones. You can also give voice commands remotely and hear alerts from your camera. The introduction of the GP-Log color profile is noteworthy, as it provides greater latitude for color grading and the ability to capture a broader dynamic range compared to standard flat profile. Additionally, the Hero 12 now incorporates TimeCode Sync, simplifying multi-camera workflows significantly compared to previous models. The Hero 12 Black includes HDR video, HDR photos were already available, to enhance shadow details and manage overexposed highlights effectively. Video delivers greater detail and color in highlights, and is now available in 5.3K and 4K 60. Another cool feature is a 9:16 framing option for 1080p and 4K video, supporting frame rates of up to 60 frames per second. This native format eliminates the need for unconventional mounts and allows for direct posting in social media without the necessity of editing. The GoPro Hero 12 is equipped with a cutting-edge sensor that elevates image and video quality to new heights. It captures stunning 5.3K video at 60 frames per second, ensuring that your adventures are recorded with unparalleled clarity and detail. Whether you're documenting a serene mountain hike or an adrenaline-pumping downhill ride, the Hero 12 delivers breathtaking footage. Shaky footage is a thing of the past, thanks to HyperSmooth 6.0. This advanced image stabilization technology minimizes vibrations and jitters, resulting in silky smooth videos, even in the most rugged conditions. It's a game changer for anyone who wants to capture professional quality content without the need for bulky stabilizing equipment. The camera features a high-resolution touchscreen for easy navigation and framing. The intuitive interface makes it a breeze to adjust settings, switch shooting modes, and review your footage, even in challenging environments. The Hero 12 is built to withstand the elements. It's waterproof up to 33 feet, 10 meters, without the need for an external housing. Whether you're snorkeling, surfing, or simply caught in the rain, the Hero 12 is ready to capture your underwater and adventure experiences. The camera includes various slow-motion video options, including time warp, time-lapse, and night-lapse modes. Get 4x Slo-Mo, that's 120 frames per second, at a ridiculously high 4K resolution. You can also ramp up the Slo-Mo to 8x, 240 frames per second, at 2.7K. GoPro's extensive ecosystem of mounts, accessories, and mods allows you to tailor your Hero 12 to your specific needs. Whether you want to mount it on your bike, attach it to your helmet, or enhance its audio capabilities, there's a GoPro accessory to make it happen. In a nutshell, reasons to buy: improved battery life, vertical video mode, improved video stabilization, support for Bluetooth audio. Reasons to skip: lacks support for GPS data, camera overheating. The GoPro Hero 12 is more than just an action camera. It's a passport to your most thrilling adventures. With its exceptional image quality, advanced stabilization, creative features, and rugged build, it empowers you to capture and share your experiences like never before. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer, a content creator, or someone who simply loves to document life's exciting moments, the GoPro Hero 12 is your trusty companion for unleashing your inner explorer and storyteller. That's it for this review. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, Please like and subscribe for more valuable content in the future. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll be sure to answer them. See you in the next one.